For this example, we have one rational expression divided by another. So we have x squared plus 2x minus xy minus 2y divided by x squared minus y squared. All of that divided by 2x plus 4 divided by x plus y. Okay, so remember, when you have one rational function divided by another, so I'll do p over q divided by r over s, you leave the first one alone, so p over q would stay the same, change the divide to time, and do the reciprocal of the second one, s over r. So you take the second one here, that's going to be this second one. We'll do the reciprocal of that and multiply. Okay, so let's do that first. We have x squared. I'm going to go down a little bit for that actually. X squared plus 2x minus xy minus 2y all over x squared minus y squared times x plus y over 2x plus 4. Okay, now we have some factoring to do. So anytime you see 4 terms in an expression, you should automatically think grouping, because often it will be, at least for now. So what do I mean by grouping? I mean you take the first 2 and group them together, the second 2, and you factor out a GCF. So in the first group, the GCF is x. In the second group, the GCF is, I'm going to do minus y, because I want what remains after we factor out these mini GCFs to be the same. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, let's just stay with this grouping here. So I group an x out of the first one. I'm left with x plus 2. I factor a y out of the second one. I'm left with x plus 2. Remember, when you factor out a negative, I factor out a negative y out of the second group. When you factor out a negative, it changes the sign of everything. So this negative x became positive x, this negative 2 became positive 2. And now these terms match. So out they go to the front or the back, however you want to look at it. And we're left with x minus y over x plus 2. Okay, so that takes care of that. Down here, well, this is of the form a squared minus b squared. And if you recall, that factors, that's the difference of squares, the old a plus b, a minus b. So this is going to become x plus y, x minus y. Okay, so let's clean this up. It's starting to get a little busy here. Okay, so we have that 4th degree polynomial factored as x minus y, x plus 2. This difference of squares below it factored as x plus y, x minus y. Okay, and then when you're multiplying two rational functions, you just combine them all on the same, kind of at the same, I guess, levels of top and bottom here. So then we just add in our x plus y, and oh look, we can factor a 2 out of this one, right? Let's get a 2 out of there, and we're left with just x plus 2. So okay, let's do that. A 2 comes out, and we have our x plus 2. Now for the best part, canceling. Check it out. What do we get? Ooh, x minus y, x minus y. X plus 2, x plus 2. Wow, x plus y, x plus y. We're left with nothing on the top, but it's not really nothing because there's always a hidden 1 that gets multiplied to everything. So here's a 1, and then on the bottom we're just left with this 2. 1/2 is the answer to that one.